happy birthday, and I hope all your dreams and wishes come true this year.
Happy birthday, Salman. You're absolutely amazing.
I wish I can look half as good as him when I turn 50. And I wish him a phenomenal birthday and to see him on screen for many, many years to come. He is the most amazing looking 50-year-old that I have seen.
He's a दिलवाला person, I would say. बहुत बड़ा दिल है उनका. काफ़ी न्यूकमर्स को, काफ़ी टैलेंट्स को पुश करते हैं वो.
Wish him a very, very, very happy birthday. Lots of love, lots of luck for the future.
Wine tastes well, he's growing well, looking better with age, so maybe a nice bottle of wine.
I don't think he looks like he's gonna turn 50 at all. He looks super hot. I wish him all the best for his future. I wish him lots of love and lots of happiness.
I wish him all the best, peace, happiness always.
He's awesome. He's 50 going on 20. So it's amazing.
Oh, I wish him all the success again for the coming year with his films, especially Sultan. I look forward to him as a wrestler in that.
I'm really happy that he's turning 50 because he still looks like us, at least he looks 30. So I think we have to prepare even harder now.
Still looks 25.
Yeah, and I hope he goes for another 50 years and looks the same. Yeah, Salman bhai, wish you a very, very happy birthday, happy 50, and at least another 50 more to come.
Happy birthday, Salman.
बड़ी सेलिब्रेशन करने वाले हैं. I think it should be a celebration of his 50th birthday. बजरंगी भाईजान. Very difficult to decide what to give him, but it'll be something sort of that comes from, you know, that one can make oneself. Happy birthday, Salman sir. Thank you for everything you've done for me.
May the force be with him.
For more Bollywood updates, subscribe now to youtube.com/biscuittv.